A Vietnamese tycoon, Truong My Lan, faces the death penalty unless she can pay a staggering $9 billion in restitution. The case has drawn significant attention, highlighting corruption, financial mismanagement, and the stringent justice system in Vietnam. Lan, once a prominent figure in Vietnam's real estate sector and chair of Thinh Phat Group, was found guilty of embezzling massive sums of money, which led to widespread financial fallout. Before we proceed, please like, comment, and subscribe to help us with the YouTube algorithm. Vietnamese authorities have linked Lan's actions to the destabilization of financial markets and significant losses for numerous investors. Her company, once considered a powerhouse in real estate, is now emblematic of the risks and excesses of Vietnam's fast-developing economy. The government is determined to use Lan's case as a warning to deter future financial crimes and restore public trust in the nation's economic system. The restitution demand is unprecedented, reflecting the scale of her alleged crimes. Lan reportedly misused company funds, leading to a collapse that left many investors devastated. The authorities' decision to link her survival to the repayment highlights the high stakes in Vietnam's anti-corruption drive, which has intensified under the leadership of the Communist Party. Observers have noted that the restitution requirement is practically impossible to meet, given the scale of the amount. Critics argue that this approach effectively ensures her execution, raising ethical concerns about how justice is served in high-profile corruption cases. Vietnam's justice system has often been criticized for its lack of transparency and the harsh punishments it imposes on financial criminals. Lan's downfall reflects broader challenges in Vietnam's economic management. While the country has attracted significant foreign investment and experienced rapid growth, it has also seen rising corruption scandals and a lack of regulatory oversight in key sectors like real estate and banking. The government's crackdown, however, signals its intent to clean up these industries and maintain stability. International human rights groups have condemned the potential execution, calling it a violation of basic rights. They argue that the punishment is disproportionate and urge Vietnam to abolish the death penalty. Critics also worry about the lack of due process in cases involving wealthy or influential individuals, suggesting that political motives may influence judicial outcomes. The case has sparked widespread debate within Vietnam. While some citizens support the harsh penalties as a necessary step to curb corruption, others question whether such measures address the root causes of systemic issues. The demand for restitution also raises concerns about the effectiveness of financial crime enforcement and the ability of affected investors to recover their losses. Lan's family and supporters have reportedly attempted to gather resources to meet the restitution demand. However, the immense sum required poses a seemingly insurmountable challenge. This situation underscores the difficulty of balancing retribution and rehabilitation in cases of large-scale financial misconduct. The international community is closely watching the case, which reflects Vietnam's struggle to align its legal practices with global standards while maintaining strict control over its economy. Investors and foreign businesses operating in Vietnam may also reconsider their strategies as they navigate a landscape increasingly defined by stringent anti-corruption measures. The ultimate outcome of Lan's case could set a precedent for how Vietnam handles future financial scandals. Whether the death sentence is carried out or commuted, the case has already sent shockwaves through the nation's business community and highlighted the complex interplay between economic growth, governance, and justice in modern Vietnam.